গৌরাঙ্গা বলিতে হবে পুলাকাশারীরা. One may ask a question, why I not will go to the church, Christian church, or to mosque? Why will go to the temple of Hare Krishna temple? Why? What is difference? The Christians, they are saying the Lord is residing in the church. The Muslims, they are claiming that Lord in the mosque. Why will go to Hare Krishna temple? What is the difference? To listen from pastor, holy father, mullah, priest, sound coming from their lips, okay. But what type of help this sound will give? That is a question. The words or the sound, what type of help it will give? These persons are also giving some teaching. They're speaking some sounds. But did they help you to develop your consciousness, to develop love to the Supreme Lord, Krishna? That is the question. And why we are not able to give that teaching? If we are preaching, yes, because the words they are using, these words are not pure. The sound they are producing is not purifying our heart. It is not purifying us. If the sound is pure, transcendental, then our consciousness will develop. If sound is not pure, sound is material, not spiritual, our consciousness will go down. And in that lower consciousness, we are trying to do so many activities. In that lower consciousness, whatever action we are doing, we are trying to get the result of this action. Oh, I do this, I will get happiness, so much happiness. This is the influence of the material sound. So-called priests are there, they're producing sound, this material sound only. It does not help us to develop consciousness, like Chaitanya, consciousness. Prabhupada, he found Krishna consciousness movement. When we are coming to the temple where Vaishnavas are remaining, we are getting sound vibration, and this is Chit sound, the spiritual sound. Because devotees are strictly following regulative principles and chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This type of sound vibration we are getting from the place where Vaishnavas are living, where Mahaprabhu's own men are living. And that spiritual pure sound is transforming our consciousness. I had this consciousness. Yes, I had. Whatever I'm doing, it is only for my pleasure. Now I got consciousness. Whatever I am doing, that is for pleasure of Krishna. And that is freedom from any material suffering, from any material influence. That message was spoken through disciplic succession. This is coming down. So we should try to change our consciousness. We can change our consciousness by listening from a bona fide source.